Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to make a star and a picture of 10 star, okay? Now, when if I click motion, I'll do this, and then point in direction, 0, and then extension, pen, erase, pen down, circular, something you like. The pen size to 3. And now my blocks make a block called star. Now with star, move one component. Turn right, repeat, repeat 5 times. Now let's see. Okay, now you have a star. Hit the circle again. Oh, I think it's too small. Keep G. Okay, now you got the star. Now repeat 5 times and no 10 times. So now turn right, operators, device 360 divides the 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 stars. There's 10 stars, so divide with 10. And now, congratulations, you have finished the task. If this is good for you, like subscribe to my channel and see more new videos. Bye bye.